An abandoned 1970 Volkswagen Beetle in a grassy field beside a barn, covered in rust, broken headlight, weeds growing around tires, warm evening sunlight, cinematic, nostalgic tone, realistic photography. First look, person standing thoughtfully in front of a rusty old Volkswagen Beetle, hands on hips, golden hour lighting, a feeling of emotional connection and nostalgia, soft focus, cinematic vibe. Mechanic in messy garage pulling on a Beetle's hood handle that just broke off, surprised expression, rusty vehicle, scattered tools around, dramatic lighting, detailed, realistic photography. Beetle with large rust hole in the floor, foot poking through the metal, dusty interior, humorous tone, cinematic garage setting, natural shadows. Learning the person sitting in dark garage, laptop open with YouTube tutorial on car repair, exhausted. Expression, overhead lamp casting moody shadows, cluttered workspace, cinematic realism breakthrough, close-up of vintage Beetle engine bay during startup, smoke puffing out slightly, sparks of light, dramatic lighting, emotional tone, cinematic close-up paint. Restored Volkswagen Beetle in glossy sky blue paint, sunlight reflecting off smooth surface, person removing masking tape from chrome trim, realistic photography, clean and polished looking proud. Moment smiling person sitting inside freshly restored Beetle, soft vintage interior, cozy lighting, sense of pride and joy, cinematic over-the-shoulder angle, shallow depth of field. Restored sky blue Beetle driving down a quiet countryside road at sunrise, golden sunlight through trees, motion blur, peaceful mood, cinematic wide shot, close-up of driver in Beetle, wind blowing through open window, reflective expression, soft morning light on face, emotional and nostalgic tone, realistic style with side-by-side split image of rusty Beetle and fully restored version, same angle, dramatic transformation, labeled before and after, clean background, clear lighting. Restored Beetle parked on an open road with a glowing sunset behind, long shadows, peaceful golden hour, cinematic composition, feeling of closure and hope.